Who is he?
He is my brother.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
What is this?
This is a book.
What is this?
This is a book.
What are those?
Those are mountains.
What are those?
Those are mountains.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
What is that?
That is a car.
What is that?
That is a car.
What are these?
These are apples.
What are these?
These are apples.
Who is that?
That is a musician.
Who is that?
That is a musician.
What are those?
Those are chairs.
What are those?
Those are chairs.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
What is this?
This is a computer.
What is this?
This is a computer.
What are those?
Those are buildings.
What are those?
Those are buildings.
Who is he?
He is a pilot.
Who is he?
He is a pilot.
Who are they?
They are engineers.
Who are they?
They are engineers.
What is that?
That is a tree.
What is that?
That is a tree.
What are these?
These are keys.
What are these?
These are keys.
Who is that?
That is a dancer.
Who is that?
That is a dancer.
What are those?
Those are bicycles.
What are those?
Those are bicycles.
Who is she?
She is a librarian.
Who is she?
She is a librarian.
What is this?
This is a lamp.
What is this?
This is a lamp.
What are those?
Those are rocks.
What are those?
Those are rocks.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
Who are they?
They are chefs.
Who are they?
They are chefs.
What is that?
That is a bridge.
What is that?
That is a bridge.
What are these?
These are toys.
What are these?
These are toys.
Who is that?
That is a photographer.
Who is that?
That is a photographer.
What are those?
Those are clouds.
What are those?
Those are clouds.
Who is she?
She is a scientist.
Who is she?
She is a scientist.
What is this?
This is a painting.
What is this?
This is a painting.
What are those?
Those are shoes.
What are those?
Those are shoes.
Who is he?
He is a mechanic.
Who is he?
He is a mechanic.
Who are they?
They are actors.
Who are they?
They are actors.
What is that?
That is a boat.
What is that?
That is a boat.
What are these?
These are pencils.
What are these?
These are pencils.
Who is that?
That is a writer.
Who is that?
That is a writer.
What are those?
Those are hats.
What are those?
Those are hats.
Who is she?
She is an architect.
Who is she?
She is an architect.
What is this?
This is a clock.
What is this?
This is a clock.
What are those?
Those are stairs.
What are those?
Those are stairs.
Who is he?
He is a coach.
Who is he?
He is a coach.
Who are they?
They are singers.
Who are they?
They are singers.
What is that?
That is a statue.
What is that?
That is a statue.
What are these?
These are glasses.
What are these?
These are glasses.
Who is that?
That is a painter.
Who is that?
That is a painter.
What are those?
Those are blankets.
What are those?
Those are blankets.